using This is a blow dry primer. You're going to spray liberally onto each section to help to protect from the heat. It's also going to provide humidity resistance and just be a great foundation for our overall style. So I'm going to begin by sectioning out the fringe area, and we're doing it based on the parting that she wants to wear, which is an offside part. I'm taking I believe it's about 1.5 inch, almost 2 inch round ceramic brush, and I'm blow drying this section. I'm over directing the hair the opposite way of which it lives. This will provide volume. So you want to blow dry over the hair, not right on it. You want to concentrate that airflow over the hair to keep the cuticle nice and smooth. After that section is nice and warmed up, we're going to follow with a ceramic Velcro roller. And I like to clip them in place because they tend to fall out if not. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. It's a little bit more challenging now because the other roller's in the way, but you can do it. I believe in you. So again, just over directing as best you can, heating up that section and securing it with a Velcro roller. And if there's any little flyaways, just kind of tuck them into place there. Now on the sides, we're going to just work that blow dry primer into the hair. We're not really trying to overstyle the hair. We're just trying to dry the product into the hair so it's a great foundation for when we go in with our curling iron. You're going to repeat this through all the sections of the hair. Once you get through the top sections here, through the crown, you do want to kind of lift the hair up to provide some more volume. Anytime you over direct hair, it's always going to provide volume, so just keep that in mind. And we are still just trying to keep the cuticle smooth by making our airflow go over the hair, not right on top. Now in the front, I've combed the hair forward. She has a lot of baby hairs, so I just kind of smooth those down with the heat of the iron first before curling, and we're doing a gentle curl away from the face, some towards. I'm kind of just following her hair pattern in the direction that it wants to go. And as you can see, as I'm taking the iron off, I'm tapping it open. I'm gently curling those ends. I'm not really dragging them straight or over curling them. I just want them to have a nice slight bend. You could pin these into place and let them cool, or you can just let them hang how I have them here. Now in the back, I'm going towards the face, and then I'm going to alternate from going towards and going away in the back, just to create a little bit more disruption and texture in the hair. And again, on the sides here, I'm really working each section with my hands to smooth it down. And then I'm dragging that iron almost like I would a flat iron to really help smooth the flyaways as well. I love using the pin brush to kind of detangle each section. As you can see, we've gone over the strand and now we're dragging it almost like a flat iron and allowing the hair to have some bend. Now through the top, I've sectioned it into 3 sections in the top. I'm curling this one towards the face, and then on the others, I'm going to curl away. Now that we're in the crown, I'm over directing that hair forward, heating it up from underneath and pushing that section forward before I go in and do a traditional curl. I'm curling from the root and feeding through the ends. And as you can see, I'm opening my iron to make that curl section just a little bit wider than the actual diameter of the curling iron tool. So my curling iron is an inch, it's 1.4, so it's a little bit smaller than 1.5 inches, bigger than 1.25 inches, but I'm just kind of making it wide because I want this to be more of a blow-dried effect, a round brush blowout effect. And again, over-directing those sections, allowing it to lay over the hot tool, and then just tapping that wider before releasing it. I love to work the hot section with my hands and let it cool off just a little bit in my hands before dropping it down. Now we're using, this is a no gas spray. I love this spray because it provides a little bit more moisture, perfect for the fall. And I'm going to just gently, I'm not really pushing the pin needles through the hair very much. I'm just kind of gently guiding the hair and just undoing those curls somewhat. And I'm using my no gas hairspray again to adjust everything the way I want it to be. And just very light touch with your hands, just guiding the hair, letting it do what it wants, but keeping it under control. Now we're going to release those Velcro rollers, and the trick is untuck it and twist it away from your face, and it won't hurt as you pull it out. I'm just going to use the pin brush just to brush that out slightly and kind of guide it where it wants to go and integrate it in with the rest of the style. Again, using my no gas spray to kind of tame any flyaways and just set the style. And again, you can see here, twisting it away from the face. You can spray it a little bit and then brush it out. And that's all. It's just a nice base for any style for the fall. Very simple, very subtle, very soft, great for sweater weather. Hope you enjoyed.